This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and physical links so you don't chase phantom problems. Plug the extender into a known working outlet and connect it to the router with an Ethernet cable. This isolates Wi-Fi. Once done, check the extender's LED status and find its IP via your router's client list so you can log in. Make sure router DHCP is on, otherwise devices won't get addresses. Now log into the extender's admin page to proceed with configuration. Next, you resolve configuration and conflict issues that commonly block internet. If the unit was on the wrong mode, change it to access point or repeater depending on your setup, because mode mismatches stop traffic. Check for IP conflicts. Assign a unique static IP outside the router's DHCP pool if you see duplicates. Update the extender firmware to patch bugs and temporarily disable fancy firewall or WPA enterprise features to confirm. Finally, verify results and recover if needed. Connect a laptop via Ethernet to the extender and confirm it reaches the internet. This proves the path from ISP through router to extender. If you still have no internet, perform a factory reset, then reconfigure step by step. First Ethernet, then wireless, checking connectivity at each stage. If that does not work, collect the extender logs, note LED behavior, and contact your ISP or the device vendor. Giving logs speeds resolution and avoids repeated guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.